Arirang Prime.
Harsh winds blow over the sea in April, but that doesn't stop this group from visiting Jeju-do Island. It's the Halasan Mountain Association, a group dedicated to informing the public about war and peace.
윤서 아이고 좀 미행. 한라산의 조주와 세텐라시래 맞자.
They have a special reason for visiting Jeju-do Island.
じゃあ他の国で日本の軍隊であり日本人が焼け野原にしてきたわけですよ。だからそういう歴史を知っておかないといけないわけですよね。
第二次世界大戦の特にアメリカから日本を戦略する場合の非常に重要な拠点だったと思います。そういう意味では日本の犠牲になったというのがチェジュ島の歴史の一つの事実だと思うので。
Together, we will follow the traces of war seared on Jeju-do Island. Jeju-do, an island south of Korea. During the Pacific War, the Japanese military turned it into a war base. They built countless military facilities all across Jeju-do Island and prepared for the final battle against the US. They even stationed about 75,000 Japanese soldiers there. How did Jeju-do Island find itself in the middle of the Pacific War? Artide Plain, located in the southwest part of Jeju-do Island. This vast plain was the site of Jeju's first airfield. The Japanese Navy made plans to build the airfield in the early 1930s. After Japan annexed Korea, Jeju-do Island went under the Japanese Navy's jurisdiction. Kang Pil-bong labored at the airfield until liberation.
이거 맞아. 저 소람 있잖아요. 글로 이래 우태래. 남 하나. 글로 동대를 쭉 끓여가지고 이래서 10만 평을 했다가 두 번째는 20만 평을 했어요. 20만 평. 20만 평을 확장을 시켜서. 확장을 시킴과 동시에 이 굴이 옷을 보러 시작해서 이 굴거장 이제 공거리지로 만들었어요. 공거리지.
Artide Airfield expanded to cover over 2.6 million square meters. The Japanese Navy drafted countless Koreans to work as forced laborers on construction sites.
처음에는 어디 가면 대천정사를 지을 때에 5년간 했어요. 그래서 그뒤 책임자가 누구냐면 마리야마라고 일본 놈이 책임자 그들을 못 찾아놓고 이 비행장으로서 내려와서 이 집들을 제가 이제 모든 것을.
Among those who were drafted, there were many mainland Koreans in addition to Jeju natives. They suffered from arduous labor without pay. "20 structures scattered across the fields. They were hangars for Japanese aircrafts. These concrete structures were made with gravel, sand, and cement. They are 5 meters tall, 10.5 meters wide, and have an arched top.
목공들은 이 가다를 짜놨어요. 가다를 짜놓으면은 이제 거기서 공꼬리가 뭐죠 하는 것은 진흥으로 온 사람들이 있어요. 육지 사람도 있고 제주 사람도 있고 우리 대전거 사람이 주로 많아죠. 1년 동안 안에 다 만들었죠. 이거 빨리 하라고 참 난리 쳤어. 그리고 또 거기 10장 하는 사람이 2만 대만 걸치질라니 빨리 하라고 막 헐수 노는 적이 없어.
Jeju natives were dragged here to work.
근데 그때 나가 나이가 어렸는데 그저 아버지가 등창나니까 대리를 안 나가면은 심어당 두드려. 괜히 아버지가 하는 말이 야 나 대신 일을 하나 못하나 가봐야지 였던 거요. 근데
Korean laborers dug up gravel and soil to flatten the field.
능선이 우묵구묵구가 능선이 이사났지. 지금은 공사를 하니까 그 문딱한 거지. 그때는 그 능선이 많이 있어서 그 능선을 다 부숴낸 거라. 목관이고 삽 이걸로만 일을 해서 겨우 그때에 화포 안반 받은 분 있으면은 그 끌로 구멍 쳐가지고 말이야 그 화포약 집어여서 폭발시켜서.
Why did the Japanese military construct the Artida airfield? At first, Artida airfield was a temporary staging post. The Japanese military secretly purchased the land to build it.
비행기의 중요성을 알기 시작한 게 1920년대부터거든요. 그러고 30년대 들어오면서 중국하고 전쟁이 시작됐는데 그때부터 이제 비행기가 본격적으로 활용이 된 거죠.
In 1931, Japan's Kwantung Army bombed the Manchuria Railway and then accused China for the action, initiating military operations. After seizing Manchuria, Japan established a puppet state of Manchukuo. Construction for the Artida airfield began around this time. Japan seized Korea and Manchuria. China was next. In order to invade China, Japan expanded the Artida airfield. Construction began on Sodar Odum near the airfield.
저다 폭임 속에. 일본 사람이 이거 상대로 힘들었다 이거.
After the construction began, village residents who lived near Sodar Odum were forcibly removed from their homes.
삼백이, 군백이, 성창이 그래서 여러 있었어 이게 그런 사람들이 있어서 일로 애와지는 건 안 하시는 사람이 있는데 지금은 뭐 다 세계로 가는 사람, 상무 오는 사람, 이교동 오는 사람 그렇게 많이 갈라져 버렸습니다.
The residents' suffering worsened as the war continued. In 1937, Japan started the Second Sino-Japanese War. One of Japan's strategies was aerial attack.
세계 항공계가 1920년대에 들어와서 비약적인 발전을 하면서 2쌍발 내지 4발의 폭격기들이 출현하기 시작했습니다. 일본도 1929년도에 국산 전투기를 최초로 내놓고 중폭격기들 개발에 착수했는데 이때 그 주요 목표가 될 수 있는 중국의 상하이나 난징은 너무 멀었기 때문에 중간 기지가 필요했던 것입니다.
Aircrafts that left from Nagasaki's Omura airfield bombarded China and returned to Jeju-do Island. In September of the same year, Japan sent out aircraft to China's then capital Nanjing and launched an indiscriminate attack. It caused an immense number of casualties and devastated the city. The Japanese military extensively publicized the Nanjing attack as a monumental achievement. As war continued, Japan began to recognize Jeju-do Island's strategic value. Meanwhile, Europe, 1939. World War II had begun, with Germany's invasion of Poland. Germany captured France and began mobilizing across Western Europe. Using this opportunity, Japan attacked Southeast Asia. The attack on Pearl Harbor followed. It signaled the beginning of the Pacific War. At first, Japan seemed to be winning with their surprise attacks, but it did not last long. On June 5, 1942, Japan lost the Battle of Midway and was forced into a defensive corner. Japan then designated the Absolute National Defense Zone to protect its mainland. In July 1944, the US forces began recapturing the Absolute National Defense Zone's core stronghold, the Mariana Islands, and they built a large air base in Guam for B-29s. Now, it was possible to launch attacks on most parts of Japan. They pushed on and arrived in the Philippines in October.
사이판하고 티니안을 점령했던 게 굉장히 컸습니다. 사이판 티니안까지 오게 되면 티니안에서 사실은 원자폭탄 그 실은 비행기들이 다 출발을 했었으니까요. 거기까지 오면 B-29가 충분히 뜰 수 있는 거리까지 이제 확보를 하는 게 되니까 중요했습니다.
With the US air base in the Pacific, Japan's mainland came within a striking distance of the Allies. October 10th, 1944, the US began launching attacks on Okinawa, Japan. Their attacks were focused on the heart of the island, Naha. From Japanese fleets and military facilities to ports, roads, and villages, they bombed everything. Okinawa suffered extensive damage from the air raid. About 90% of Naha became destroyed and laid in ruins.
初めてアメリカの飛行機だと肉が来て子供たちは泣き叫びながら大人たちもパニックを起こしてそれからもう家に帰らず郷に逃げるというそれを見たのが私の島で見た最初の戦争ですが。
Meanwhile, on Jeju-do Island, the US aircraft began arriving in June 1944.
아, 그때 일하면서 저 산방만이 비행기가 오면은 고봐야죠. 안 고봤다가 쏴버려. 미국 놈들이 와.
그러면 땅에 실타리 좀 총알에 그 기관총 딱딱딱딱 맞는 거 우리가 보고 예, 우리도 이 또랑에 엎드려 가지고 이 숨기도 해보고 그 당시에 그 미군 총에 맞은 애들도 있었습니다.
The US presence bolstered the importance of Arturo Airfield. Mosulport was transformed into an airbase. After initiating construction for new facilities, Japan built a radar base to keep a lookout for US aircrafts. And it detected a number of US aircraft. Japan also built an anti-aircraft base in a nearby volcanic cone in 1945. The anti-aircraft base could look over Arturo Airfield and its storage facility. It also served as an important weapon against the US aircraft. After building the Arturo Airfield, Japan also began development in the mountains.
이게 아주 굴이 열려요. 길고. 또 가다 보면은 이렇게 둘러져 방이 있어요. 내가 이제 들어오는 일을 했죠.
The residents were forced to dig caves. They carried soil and rocks all day long. Digging caves was a very complicated task. They made several rooms in there. It was harrowing to work with a gas flame in dark caves. The forced laborers had to repeatedly go out and come back in because it was difficult to breathe inside. The Japanese military hid critical airfield facilities in this cave base. It is wide and deep enough for cars to enter. Going in deeper gives a better idea of its size. The Japanese military stored torpedoes, fuel, and gunpowder in each room, and even built a communications facility. They also commanded defense bases near the airfield. Like this, they prepared to engage in war, even from underground. The Sadar Orun base is considered a key example of Japanese tunnels constructed in a grid pattern. Construction of the base was a grueling process.
그자 여기 사람들은 부스럽게 일을 못하는데 왜 일을 못하느냐면서 과연 식여줌도 하고 이렇게 하지 아니면 내가 안 된다고 하지만 덮어 때려. 때립니다 때려. 그 목까지 자르기 있어요. 목까지 자르고 이걸로 때려 그래. 저 사람 죽고 사는 건 생각 아닙니다.
Korean laborers crushed stones in darkness with hand tools. They had nothing to drink but the little water that collected on the rocks. The Japanese military built cave bases in every volcanic cone. Another facility next to the Artida Airfield airstrip. It served as an underground bunker and a command post. The construction for this bunker lasted from November 1944 to March 1945. Decades have passed, yet it's still standing strong. There are many bunkers in Artida area because Japan built them for the final battle. Building underground bunkers was an arduous task. Laborers had to break volcanic rocks with pickaxes, endlessly carrying out bucket after bucket of soil. They had no time to rest.
거의 15번, 오후에 15번. 이거 이틀 내에 그냥 코피가 우리가 다 나고 둘이 배당해 둘이 가서 한 10여일간 그 단단히 좀 얼먹었죠.
There was no end to the residents' suffering. Labor and war supplies were taken away. Cheji's war records describe Japan's plunder at the time.
당시 제주도가 전라남도였거든요. 전라남도. 그때 당시에 이거 비밀리에 이제 그 계획을 모든 걸 수리별로 한 걸 알 수가 있는데.
Japan's Jeju-do Island development plans documented everything from land use to farming. It also mentions sweet potato cultivation and the plan to extract ethanol from them for fuel.
이게 고구마 재배해가지고 그 전량기를 보급했다고. 이것이 그 절판이라는 건데 이것이 이제 여기 고구마를 싸놓고 이리 하나씩 고구마를 집어넣어서 이렇게 돌리면 이 고구마가 여기 들어간 고구마가 썰어지면서 일이 나오는 거예요. 날이 있어서 썰어지면서 일이 착착착착착 고구마가 떨어져서 그거를 이제 저쪽에 가서 널어서 말려서 그 말린 걸로 이제 주정을 빼가지고 알코올 빼서 그걸 연료로 썼지 이제.
Koreans were hungry, but they had to give up their food for Japan's war rations. The handcart was an object of fear to Jeju-do natives. They piled it high with grains and pushed it to the Japanese bases.
그 말이 힘이 모자라면 사람도 같이 끈을 묶어서 땡겨서 가는데 일본군은 그 무거워서 못 올라가는 마차 위에 앉아서 이 말도 채찍질하고 사람도 채찍질한 그런 아주 혹독한 그런 부분들이 있었고.
Villages had to meet Japan's unreasonable grain quotas.
무엇을 농사졌다는 게 전부 알게 되니까 얼마씩 공투를 갖다가 배당식에서 내라 하면은 내게 마련입니다. 뭐 내서는 그 아주 물매를 맞게 되는 입장이니까.
시시하게 때리는 게 아닙니다. 너무 묶어가지고 배로 묶어가지고 때리니까.
묶어서 때려요?
예, 묶어서 밧줄로 묶어가지고 때렸으니까 뭐 소처럼 울고 그 소소리가 날 때까지 때립니다 그냥.
그걸 맞딱 내놔보면은 자기 식구들이 살질 못하거든. 어디서 먹을 것이 들어 숨겨놔뒀다가 이놈을 안겨놓으면 죽어. 이걸 안기면 그걸 물으면은 잘 먹고 되는데 그 사람들랑 눈에 안기면 죽어. 그러니까 무섭지.
죽일 때는 주로 어떻게 죽이는 거예요, 일본군들이?
우리 죽이는 거는 진짜 칼 있잖아요, 칼. 그 어렵지 않아요. 어렵지가 않게 죽여.
During the Japanese colonial era, Koreans were targets of abuse and discrimination. The Japanese military stopped nothing to extort food from the Koreans. It has been 7 years since the Hallasan Mountain Association started visiting Jeju-do Island. Why is the group traveling this far to visit a tragic historical site?
で新しいものを作り出していくという毎年の作業がなければ記憶なんてあっという間に消えていきますわ。これを記憶すること自体が大事だというふうに俺は思うので毎年行くんですよ。で記憶をもう一回呼び戻してでさらに新しいものをプラスして積み上げていくとこの作業はね毎年やらなきゃあかんわけですよ。だから毎年行きましょうって言ってるわけ。一回行きました。こんなことがありましたねってもう忘れてたわっていう人がいっぱいいるわけ。だから毎年行かなきゃあかんわけですよ。最後のページの1枚目手前。
The Hallasan Mountain Association is observing the fate that befell Okinawa and Jeju-do during the Pacific War. They were the two most likely landing sites for the U.S. forces on their way to the Japanese mainland. Amid the mounting tension, it seemed clear that the two islands would be embroiled in the war. When Japan's defeat in the Pacific War continued, the U.S. forces actualized their plan to attack the Japanese mainland. It was the recapture of the Philippines in February 1945 that gave the U.S. forces two offensive routes. One was attacking Japan's southeastern region from Saipan. The other was landing in Kyushu from the Philippines and China. At this time, Jeju-do Island served as an important crossroad to the Japanese mainland because it's directly located between Kyushu and southern China. Japan gave a new command in the end, Operation Ketsugo No. 7. Southern Korean Peninsula and Jeju-do Island were the only foreign lands outside of Japan.
1호 지역부터 7호 지역 중에 일본 본토에 들어오려면 제주도부터 먼저 점령을 할 거라고 예상을 했고요. 그래서 제주도에다가 오키나와에 들어간 그 육군 병력보다 더 많은 부대를 관동군을 주로 끌어들여서 투입을 해서 이제 준비를 시켰던 겁니다.
The Kwangtung Army was the elite force of the Japanese military. It was infamous for its barbarous acts during the Second Sino-Japanese War. Japan also deployed the Department of Epidemic Prevention and Water Supply on Jeju-do Island. It is generally known as Unit 731, or General Ishii's unit. The unit practiced human experiments for biological warfare. About 3,000 to 5,000 Chinese, Korean, and Russian civilians and soldiers are estimated to have been victims of human experimentation.
이 관동군이 제주도에 직접 왔는데 그게 이제 111, 121 부대, 이 사단 사령부 병력들입니다. 그래서 제주도에 와서 그 짧은 기간에 그와 같은 그 생체 실험을 했다고 확인할 수는 없지만 그 체제 자체가 그대로 편지가 유지되어서 왔기 때문에 뭐 어떤 식으로든지 여기에서의 그런 그 계획 같은 건 구상하지 않았을까 생각할 수 있습니다.
The Japanese military records describe the exact location of Unit 731. Japan meticulously planned the fortification of Jeju-do Island.
완전 S자로.
이렇게 도로를 구불구불하게 만든 거네요.
예, 구불구불하게 이렇게 만들어서 그러니까 이 가마오름 부대 있는 대로 접근이 좀 지연될 수 있게끔 이 도로 설계까지도 그렇게 했다고요. 뭐 구불구불이 완전. 요 가마오름 요 주변에만 한 완전 무장한 병력 5,000명 정도가 있었답니다. 그 일하는 노무자들 말고 요 주변이 그렇고 이제 저 산에가 저기가 탱크 부대가 있었고 그 다음에 요쪽 밑에 가면 기마 부대가 있었어요.
Kama-Odum is located 10 kilometers away from Artida Airfield. It served as an important fort for the western part of Jeju-do Island.
여기 이런 입구가 33군데고 구조는 1층, 2층, 3층으로 되어 있고 전체 길이는 한 2,000m가 돼요.
This is the largest cave base uncovered so far. The Kwangtung Army's 111th Infantry Division occupied Kama-Odum Cave Base. This three-story base was built with a scientific design. Numerous rooms and hallways were used for soldiers on standby. About 30 exits were spread out in all directions. This was a meticulously established defense base and fort.
여기에 일본군이 와서 그 주둔했던 사람이 와서 설명을 하는데 이게 무너지지 않도록 설계가 됐답니다. 과학적으로. 그러니까 여기가 위에가 이렇게 둥그렇게 만들어진 것은 서로 아치형으로 이렇게 지지해줘서 이렇게 왕창 무너지는 거 방지를 위한 것이고 바람이 하나도 없는 때도 오면 바람이 이 안에서는 싹 스치는 것처럼 이 자연 이 높은 지대로 이렇게 올라서서 밑으로 떨어질 때 고여있던 게 그 밀어주는 힘으로 다시 나가고 하는 그런 원리를 이용해서 만들었기 때문에 이 안에는 사람이 아무리 많이 있어도 전혀 공기 탁한 게 없이 자연적으로 공기가 순환되고 있다.
The purpose of the Kama Odin base was to lure the enemies inland and to engage in a war of attrition. The Japanese military divided Jeju-do Island into 4 defense zones according to the expected U.S. attack routes and stationed the troops accordingly. Meanwhile, Japan's 58th Army made plans to transfer its headquarters to Halasan Mountain, where it could watch the U.S. forces landing. It was Japan's final base of resistance.
가용인원이라고 얘기할 때는 우선은 여기서 이미 1943년, 44년부터 특히 45년 봄까지 많은 사람들이 군인으로 우선 끌려가기도 하고 징용으로 많이 나갑니다. 그래서 일본 전역에 가죠. 홋카이도부터 시작해서 큐슈까지 탄광에 가는 사람들이 제일 많았고요. 그다음에 남양군도 남태평양 여러 지역에 기지를 만들기 위해서 끌려간 해군 군부라는 이름으로 되게 끌려간 사람들이 이제 많고요.
The Japanese military took whoever remained after their forced draft of laborers and soldiers.
우리 어린이들도 전부 훈련 받았어요. 7살만 되면은 전부 나와가지고 아침 새벽에 마을에 모여가지고 훈련을 받았어요.
초신 신고 훈련 받았습니다. 참 이북도 없고 춥고 아이고 말할 수 없습니다.
The Japanese military planned on using Koreans as construction workers and soldiers. The Allies advanced closer to the Japanese mainland. They only had Iwo Jima and Okinawa left to seize. During the Battle of Iwo Jima that took place during February and March of 1945, the Japanese military hid inside caves and prolonged the fight. The goal was to cause as many casualties as possible and to protect the emperor and the mainland.
일본군이 상륙하는 미군과 싸워서 지구전을 하려고 했던 중요한 이유는 싸워서 승리하기보다는 적에게 최대한 피해를 주어서 적이 태평양을 따라서 계속 북상해 오는 걸 저지하려는데 중점적인 목표가 있었던 것이지 이 섬을 지키고 미군을 물리친다라는 데 작전 목표는 있는 것은 아니었습니다.
The Japanese military's plan to fight to the death led to a disaster in Okinawa. On April 1st, 1945, 4 major divisions of the U.S. Army landed on Hogushi beaches and launched attacks on Okinawa. They advanced with ease. They moved towards the north and the south, and they continued to push the Japanese military back. Sheets of artillery fire and bombs rained down on Okinawa and created a storm of steel. However, the Japanese military hid in the cave bases and planned for a prolonged war. The reason was clear. They had to slow down the US's advance to mainland Japan.
決戦は本土だと、日本本土だと。つまりそれはしっかり守るということ。じゃあそこ行くまで沖縄、多分その中に最終島もチェジェ島も含んでいると思いますけど、そこが前縁といいまして、その決戦する前の方のところで敵を叩く、つまりできるだけここで敵の血を流さして時間を稼ぎなさいというふうな作戦が45年の1月に立てられるわけです。
It has been 70 years since the Battle of Okinawa ended. Today, it's difficult to picture this place as a battlefield. But traces of war are still scattered across the island. This dugout was the heart of the Japanese Navy.
ここ司令部の当時攻められてこの海軍司令部号の入り口です。入り口に米軍にやられていた時のもの。今ここです。
During the Battle of Okinawa, the Japanese Navy built an underground dugout to protect a nearby airfield. A unit called Yamane Corps and its thousands of Navy sailors protected it. The dugout was built by the Navy as well as Okinawan residents and Koreans who were drafted as forced laborers. They dug for 24 hours a day for 5 months and completed a maze-like 450-meter-long cave. The Japanese military transferred all their military facilities underground and fought against the US. But the situation remained the same.
5月25日、アメリカ軍は県都那覇へ入った。首里へ、そしてさらに南部へと目指すアメリカ軍の通り過ぎた後には、逃げ遅れた市民の死体が累々と横たわっていた。
重要だったものです。なぜかというとこの空港を守るためですから、空港を守るためにここで司令部を設けているので、陸軍はまた別ですので、陸軍はまた島を守るためですので、この海軍は空港を守るために作られた司令部ですので。
The Navy Command constructed an underground base for attrition.
日本の海軍はですね、ここで作戦を立てていたと言われている。こういうふうにこれが太田司令官ですので、もう米軍が結構那覇に向かっているので、どういうふうにするか多分相当な作戦を立てていたと思われる。
The Japanese military built necessary facilities, such as a generator room for electricity and medical rooms for the wounded.
これがもう貸し官室。貸し官室で3000人の兵隊がいたので、立ったまま休んだって言われている部屋です。
The space was not large. There were special facilities built inside the dugout, but there was no room for the soldiers. Countless soldiers were crowded into small spaces, and they had to sleep standing up. Most soldiers died during the battle. Some of them were drafted Okinawan natives. Countless Okinawans were sacrificed in the war.
鉄路防風ってあるでしょ。あれもう大変。で来るとは全く思ってなかった。
何もないんですよ。焼け野原にそのまま立ちましたよ。本当に焼け野原。
手榴弾に行こうかと言ったらね、絶対に捕虜になるなということでね、それで捕虜になりそうだったらね、手榴弾以降敵に投げつけて、もう一つでね、自決しろって命令されてきたわけですね。
住民の命や財産を守らなかった典型的な例は沖縄戦なんですよね。
When defeat became inevitable, the Japanese commander resorted to extreme measures.
こ これがもう司令官室ですね。ここはですね、司令官の部屋だったと言われている、部屋ですので、最後にですね、この太田司令官は、実践の空って死ぬ前の空を書いているんですね。大君の身、旗のもとに死してこそ、人と生まれし改造ありけりという実践の句を書いているんですよ。司令官が書いた。
The commander committed suicide. Bodies of 6 officers were found with him.
太田司令官は6月の7日に32軍の司令部のもう電報を撃つ力がないということで、私は知事に頼まれたわけではないけど代わって電報を撃ちますということで電報を撃っているんですね。それで沖縄県民各戦いに県民に対し公正特別なご配慮をということで、この後で沖縄には特別なご配慮をしてくださいよっていう最後の電報を残しているんですね。
4,000 soldiers are said to have died here. May 1945. Japan prepared for a battle on Jeju-do Island, the next expected landing site of the U.S. Army. Cave bases were built along the coast.
옛날에 이런 게 없었어요. 이런 집들이 뭐 이런 것도 없었어요. 이 집이 다 이 동네가 다 철거식이었어. 아무것도 없었어요. 이거 다 철거식이.
It was the Japanese Navy Special Attack Base, from which suicide attacks would be launched.
우리가 파는 것은 3번째, 우리 누워 자는 것은 1번째 누워 자면서 3번째 파진 걸로 생각이 됩니다. 그거 다 허물어졌네요, 저기 굴이. 형체가 없이 전부 허물어진 쪽이, 그게 이제 3번째 굴입니다, 저기.
Human bombs and suicide weapons were to be stored here. Its goal was to attack the U.S. forces before their landing and either destroy or sink their battleships. The Japanese military dispatched a fleet of special attack units throughout Jeju-do Island. 5 special attack bases were built. Among them, Songhak-san's mountain base had manned torpedoes called kaiten. Traces of construction are still visible today. The Japanese military laid rails to facilitate quick takeoff. Kaiten were torpedoes with a propulsion system, a pilot, and a periscope. The pilot steered the Kaiten and its 780-kilogram warhead towards the enemy and detonated. Constructing the base was a traumatic experience for Jeju natives.
뒤에 도루꼴가 밀려 이런 바람에 모가지를 다쳐서 즉사하는 것을 우리 눈으로 보고 과연 좀 비참한 세월을 좀 보냈습니다. 아주 호독이 굴었으니까 그 일을 안 하고는 견딜 수 없고 정말 그쪽에는 미쳤다는 생각이 좀 가엽다 생각이 나죠.
The final fight of the Battle of Okinawa came in June 1945, and it took place on Mabuni Hill in the southernmost corner of Okinawa. What was expected to be a quick battle lasted for over 2 months. the US forces launched countless attacks and pushed the Japanese military to the verge of annihilation. Lieutenant General Ushijima committed suicide when he sensed the end. The Battle of Okinawa came to an end. It had lasted for 3 months. About 240,000 people are estimated to have died, and about 130,000 of them were Okinawan civilians. That was about 1/3 of the total population. July 1945. The Japanese military made elaborate plans to attack enemies from their landing point on Jeju-do Island. They even dug trenches on the beach. They broke through the basalt and built a 10-meter-long base. Holes from the drill are still clearly visible. US battleships appeared and fired at the beach. Defenseless civilians were exposed to the attacks, but the Japanese military could take shelter in the caves. Japan now had no choice but to clash with the US forces and prevent them from landing. In July 1945, the Japanese military planted 1,200 mines along the southwestern coast.
でさらにもっと言うならば沖縄と似ているのは海からちょっと離れたところに地下に陣地を作って、戦うと。これは何かと言いますと持久戦なんです。だからちょうど沖縄と同じぐらいの部隊が配置されで同じような陣地を作っているということは仮にも最終島に上陸したらちょうど沖縄みたいなのが起こったんじゃないかなと思ってるわけですね。
The Japanese military hid among the rocks and caves and resisted the US forces, but it was futile. The number of military and civilian casualties continued to rise.
제주도도 상황이 그렇게 되면 그들이 숨었던 동굴에서 다 쫓아내고 자기들이 숨고 그러면 제주도 사람들은 엄청난 피해를 입었을 거라고 생각하죠.
The US executed its final plan to end the Pacific War. August 6, 1945, they dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima. And 3 days later, another bomb on Nagasaki. The war was over. An official surrender ceremony was held on September 2nd. Japan invaded Korea in 1910, ignited the Second Sino-Japanese War and the Pacific War, and Japan declared unconditional surrender. And in accordance to the instrument of surrender, the Japanese army at Jeju-do Island disarmed. Japanese bases and weapons were destroyed and buried at sea. Jeju-do Island escaped the tragedy of Okinawa.
여기는 그 위기를 이렇게 피한 셈이죠. 다행히. 원래는 한 9월 말이나 10월 초에 미군이 여기 공격해 들어올 걸로 돼 있었는데, 뭐 8월 달에 전쟁이 끝나버렸으니까.
The Halasan Mountain Association seeks for peace. Every year, its members remind themselves of Jeju-do Island's painful history. They search for traces of war that left Jeju-do in ruins. They see and feel them in person and remind themselves of the horrors of war. They genuinely sympathize with the tragedy of a foreign country. Why are they trying to remember the scars of Jeju-do Island?
旧日本軍がいわゆる植民地化したというそういったものがありますので、非常にその辺りは日本人は知りませんけども、しっかり受け止めなければならないというふうに思います。
The Halasan Mountain Association states that it's important not to forget the tragedies of war.
時の権力者の人たちは過去のそういう醜い戦争についてなかったことにして新たな戦争の準備を始めているということについて大変危機感を持っています。そういう意味では戦後私たちは生まれましたけれど、戦後に生まれた私たちがちゃんとした目で現実を見て戦争を求める戦争の準備をする人たちと戦うことが重要だと思います。
No amount of time can wash away the torment of war.
막연하게 애매하게 평화를 얘기하는 사람들은, 그리고 전쟁 피해가 얼마나 일반 민중들한테 심각한지를 얘기 안 하려고 하는 사람들은 그거는 다음번 전쟁을 또 허용하는 거하고 똑같다고 생각합니다.
평화벨트, 피스벨트로 연결시켜가지고 오히려 예전의 분쟁지를 평화의 지대로 바꾸어 나가는 작업을 했으면 좋겠다는 것입니다. 그래서 이게 동북아시아에서 한중일 그 시민사회에서 해나가야 할 평화운동의 하나의 방향이라고 저는 생각하고, 제주도의 이런 군사유적을 그런 평화적인 문화유적, 역사유적으로 좀 보편화시키는 작업을 했으면 좋겠다. 그런 생각을 해요.
Kang Pyeol-bong sometimes sings at the sites he used to work at as a forced laborer. He sings songs of healing and peace.
집이 편안하게 해줬어. 우리 집을 편안하게 해줬어. 그런 거요. 그런 글이요. 불살 명당 신설경 기왕대제 정북수 인왕대제 액소별 재석천하 관지별 제법천하 오행별 중앙대제 무랑복 동방태호 복기시 남방 염제실롱시 서방서 금천시 북방대무 고양시 중앙황제헌원